Another simple hip improvement drill that you can do at home, so for range of motion and general strength in your hip, is a controlled articular rotation. So a CAR, a car. Again, as I said before, it is just moving the joint under a controlled full range of motion. Nothing really technical about it. It's just being aware of what the joint is doing and what you're using to get the joint there. So I recommend you hold on to a ball at home, and you're going to stand nice and close to it, and you're going to take the leg in front of your other foot and bend it up. And at the same time, this is external rotation in the hip. From there, you're going to let it drop down to vertical, bring it out to the side, and then this is internal rotation of the hip, so lifting the leg out behind you. Then you're going to extend back, stand as upright as you can, and bring it back to the front. So you've got flexion and extension in there as well as internal and external rotation. And that's the four key elements that you will want in any joint movement. So again, coming in front, external rotation as you lift it up into flexion, move it out, and as you go into extension, you're in internal rotation there, and back to normal, and out. So from the side, again, you're holding on to the wall or the door, whatever you've got handy. Bring it in, internal rotation, drop it down, move it along, internal rotation, out behind you, and back. Again, up, rotate it around, internally rotate, extend it back, and down. These are great exercises to do if you have hip pain, sciatica, lower back pain, and even sometimes some knee pain as well. So give them a go. You don't have to do tons of them. Do 2 sets of 10 on each side, once every other day, or if you're really bored you can do it every day, but give it a go anyway.